Welcome to Functions by Professor Charles Durner. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. A relation between a collection of inputs and one output for each of those inputs is the definition of a function. A function is a relationship between inputs in which each input is associated to exactly one output. To put it another way, a function is a relationship between inputs. Each function has both a domain and a codomain or range that it operates within. In general, the notation for a function is f of x, where x represents the value that is being input. The standard notation for a function is f of x, where x is the input variable. Y equals f of x is the universal representation for functions. A function is a unique association between each pair of members of two sets. In mathematical notation, a function from set A to set B is an object f such that for each in set A, there exists a unique object f of A in set B. A function is hence a relation that transfers many entities onto a single entity. A function's domain is the set A of values at which it is defined, while its range is the subset B of values from which it can generate. In this sense, codomain of f refers to the set B. A mathematical function can be thought of as a little machine. In the same way that one types into a computer, we supply an input. Each input to the function should result in a corresponding output. If the input seems like something you'd type into a computer, the output will look like the words on the screen. The computer serves as the function by converting input into output. If you have a curve in the plane and you think it might be the graph of a function, you can check by counting how many times it crosses a vertical line using a graphical method called the vertical line test. Here are some reasons why we use the vertical line test. Any vertical line in the plane can only cross the graph of a function a maximum of once. Hence a relation is a function exactly when each element x in A is matched to exactly one value f of x in B. A curve in the plane is accepted as representing the graph of a function according to the vertical line test if and only if no vertical line intersects the curve more than once. It is frequently argued that a plane curve fails the vertical line test if it does not accurately depict the graph of a function. Two curves drawn in the plane are depicted in the drawings on the right. The curve that is furthest to the left does not pass the test for vertical lines since it is possible to create a single vertical line that meets the curve in two different places. The vertical line test, on the other hand, demonstrates that the curve on the far right is really a function on its domain. It is frequently argued that a plane curve fails the vertical line test if it does not accurately depict the graph of a function. In conclusion, in this video we describes the basics of a function. We hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.